Set the machine to straight stitch. When set to 0, the stitch is straight. Adjust the stitch length dial. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Press the Start button to begin sewing. Rotate the button clockwise to increase sewing speed. Rotate the button counterclockwise to decrease sewing speed. Press the reverse stitch button to sew in reverse. Turn to the left to remove the fabric. Cut the thread. Turn the pattern selector dial. Adjust the stitch width dial. Adjust the stitch length dial. Open the buttonhole plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. Set the pattern selector dial. The needle position setting is at the baseline. Set the stitch width to 6. Set stitch length dial to 0.5 to 1. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. It will automatically sew in the order. After sewing, lift the lever back up. Warning: if not reset, the machine will sew in reverse. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole